How to use iCloud to save space on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, tap on your Apple account at the very top of the screen. You will then be taken to the Apple account page. On this page, find and tap on iCloud. As you can see, the storage is almost full. Now, tap on See All under the Save to iCloud section. Here, tap on iCloud Photos. On the photo screen, tap the Sync this iPhone toggle to turn it on. Go back and tap on iCloud Drive. Here, also tap on the Sync this iPhone toggle to turn it on. Now, go back to the main settings page and tap on General. From here, tap on iPhone Storage. Here, you can see a breakdown of what's taking up space, along with recommendations for freeing it up. Locate the recently deleted album and tap on the Empty button, then tap on Delete from this iPhone to permanently remove the files. The album will now be empty, and the storage will be freed up. Following these steps, you can easily use iCloud to save space on an iPhone.